This is a creative style called Autumn Leaves. We've changed it a bit with the contrast at -3 and the saturation at 0 and the sharpness at -3. It's a profile I've used many years ago. Haven't used it much since, but it'd be nice to see at the moment how it compares to HLG3 in the previous video. So take a look at the previous video first, HLG, which produces HDR content, and then take a look at this one, which is Autumn Leaves. We're on the A7R4 XAVCS 4K 30p 100 megabits a second. As usual guys, it's been emotional.